We have yoga quiz competition is there, guys. Let's see. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, where are we?
Lift.
Where are we going?
We are going for quiz competition.
Okay.
Yoga quiz. कौन बनेगा योगा कर? Let's see who wins. Let's go.
Congratulations all of you for being selected to the final round of Kaun Banega Yoga Pati. Okay. So audience, if you are answering before the participants, that question will be disqualified. So no helping. Okay. Forget that your friends and classmates now. Okay. They all are now going to become yoga patis.
A very good morning to everyone. Congratulations to the top 4. And I welcomed our judges, Dr. Ashwini ma'am and Ms. Harshita ma'am, and also our staff, Dr. Ansa ma'am and Dr. Chaitra ma'am and Dr. Bharat sir for this. So, let's... I wish all the best to our top 4 who are on the hot seat. Okay, and let's begin with our first round. That's Om Azing Anatomy Challenge. Okay, Om Azing, it's not amazing, it's Om Azing. So let's see the rules and regulations. So this quiz consists of 8 questions and options will be given, okay, like an MCQ. So for each team 2 questions will be asked. You'll be given 40 seconds to answer the question. Pass round is there. So if a team 1 can't answer, you can pass it to the team 2nd. And if first team, whoever we ask the team, no, if they answer, we will be getting 5 marks. If pass, andre 2 marks. Okay. And there will be no negative marks for this, wrong answers. I hope contestants got it. Yeah. And audience, don't open your mouth. Like even if you be knowing the answer, don't support any team. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the first question is for team 1, Manushri and Shalini. Are you ready? So the first question is, which muscle is strongly stretched during the Ustrasana? The options: pectoralis major, hamstring, tibialis anterior and brachialis. Your time is already started.
Option A.
Option A, pectoralis major. Yeah, which muscle group work most intensely? Quadriceps, triceps, rhomboids or biceps?
A. Quadriceps.
A. Quadriceps. Okay. A lock? Okay. So the answer is quadriceps. Correct. Your question is, in Bhujangasana, which muscle group is primarily responsible for extending the spine as the chest lifts away from the floor? Rectus abdominis, erectus spinae, hamstrings and pectoralis major.
Erectus spinae.
Erectus spinae. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Erectus spinae. In Vrikshasana, which muscles are especially important for stabilizing the pelvis? Biceps gluteus medius and minimus, trapezius and rectus abdominis.
Option B. Gluteus medius and minimus.
Okay, option B. Let's see the answer. Yes, it's correct. Congratulations, all the teams scored. So let's move for the second round. I mean, juniors to team and final year. Yeah. Who will win? Second years? Who will cheer for second year? Yeah. Third year juniors? Final years? Let's see. So are you ready for the next round? Yeah? So our next round is Oh My Research. Oh My Research. So yeah, I would like Kavijogi ma'am to continue with it.
So research round is based on the buzzer. Okay, whoever presses the first, they'll get the chance to answer to the question. So correct answer carries 5 marks, but negative answer carries -1. Okay, if you're confident only, you press the buzzer, otherwise not. So, this question is not passed to another team. The question is then considered closed. It will go to audience. Okay, understood? Any doubts? No.
Yeah.
Ready everyone? It's purely with the buzzer. So judges, please note the buzzer team. Okay. So here we go with our first question. Which mechanism is most strongly supported by current evidence for blood pressure lowering effects of yoga?
Option B, reduced autonomic imbalance through vagal modulation.
Correct audience? Is it correct, Yoga Guru Dr. Chaitra ma'am? Yes, it is correct. Right answer. Here we go for our second question. Which mechanism best explains the reduction in perceived stress observed among regular yoga practitioners? Yes, again, once again, second team. Yes, answer please.
Option A.
Yes, it is right answer again. Improved autonomic regulation with reduced HPA acts as hyperactivity. Okay, here we go with our third question. Research on mindfulness-based yoga practices indicates improvement in which of the following neuropsychological functions? First one, auditory discrimination and hearing acuity. Second one, visual perception and retinal sensitivity. Third one, emotional regulation and executive control. Fourth one, bone mineral density and skeletal remodeling. Jesse. Yes, it is the right answer again for the team to emotional regulation and executive control.
So let's move to our round third. It is guess the asana. Guess the asana. Okay, so we will be displaying the asanas. Picture of the asanas will be displayed and you must identify the name of the asanas. No options will be given. Each team again 2 questions. No buzzer for this. So only the team must answer it. No passing of the question allowed. 30 seconds to answer. Okay. And if correct answer, 5 marks. No negative marking. Clear? Clear with the rules? Okay. So to team 1, your first asana is, and audience don't shout. Even if you know the answer, don't shout. Okay. Team 1, your first asana. Answer is Pincha Mayura. Team 2nd, ready? Audience, don't answer.
Raja Kapotasana.
Raja Kapotasana, okay. Can I lock? Yeah? Answer is? Yes, Raja. Okay, next 15 seconds. Don't answer, audience. And Harshita, Karishma and Deepika. Okay, we are going for the last round. So it is Patanjali Puzzler. Right, let's see. Patanjali Puzzler. So what is it? We'll see. This is a buzzer round. First to buzz in, first to answer. So you have to answer very quickly, rapidly, okay, like a rapid fire. So 4 questions will be given. The thing is, we'll be giving you a English explanation of a sutra. You have to tell the Sanskrit verse of it. Okay, let's test it. Okay. So are you ready? Audience ready? Yeah, okay. First question. See the questions, read it out very clearly, understand the meaning, then answer, okay? This sutra explains that when the senses cease to engage with their respective objects, they follow the nature of the mind itself, resulting in withdrawal of the senses. Which Sanskrit sutra is being described? Not only answering, like you have to tell the sutras.
Swavishaya asamprayoge chittasya swarupanukara iva pratyahara iva indriya pratyahara.
Okay, next round. Audience, were you able to guess? Yes? No? Okay, let's go for the second. This sutra explains that through mastery of posture, one becomes undisturbed by the pairs of opposites such as heat and cold, pleasure and pain. Which Sanskrit sutra is being described?
ಹಠಯೋಗ ಆಸನ ಸೂತ್ರ ಆತಾಸನೆ ದೃಢಯೋಗಿ ವಶೀಹಿತಮಿತ ಶನಃ ಗುರುಪದಿಶ್ ಹಠಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಥಮಾನ್ ಗತ್ವಾದ್ ಪೂರ್ವಮುಚ್ಯತೆ ಕುರ್ಯತದಾಸನಂ ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯಂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಚಂದ್ರಂ.
Read the question once again, please. So do participate in upcoming events also, okay? All the yoga day competitions.
Getting into the class. I'm looking like a lazy girl. Not lazy, but actually it seems like a lazy girl.